Five little ducks went out one day, jumped in the pond and splashed away. Mama duck said, quack, quack, come back, but only four came swimming back. Four little ducks played in the sun, sliding and gliding, having fun. Mama duck said, quack, quack, come back, but only three came swimming back. Three little ducks waddled around, hopping and flopping on the ground. Mama duck said, quack, quack, come back, but only two came swimming back. Two little ducks played peekaboo, behind the flowers red and blue. Mama duck said, quack, quack, come back, but only one came swimming back. One little duck felt sad and small, she missed her family one and all. Mama duck said, quack, quack, come back, and five little ducks came splashing back.